Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put chlorine in a lazy spa. Before you begin, always wear protective gloves and eyewear when handling chemicals. Make sure your spa is clean and free of debris. It's also wise to test your water first to know the current chlorine and pH levels. This preparation ensures a safe and effective treatment for your spa. When selecting chlorine, always choose a granular type made for hot tubs. Avoid pool chlorine, as it can be too strong. Check your Lazy Spa's manual for specific dosage recommendations, as amounts can vary. A good starting point is usually 1 to 2 teaspoons of granular chlorine for every 250 gallons of water in your spa. Never add granular chlorine directly to your spa. First, dissolve the measured amount in a clean bucket of warm spa water, stirring until fully mixed. Then, slowly pour this dissolved solution around the perimeter of your lazy spa. After adding, run your spa's filter for at least 20 minutes to help distribute the chlorine evenly throughout the water. After about 30 minutes, retest your spa water to confirm the chlorine levels are within the ideal range. You want to maintain a free chlorine level between 1 and 3 parts per million for effective sanitation. Remember to regularly clean your filter and consistently check your water chemistry to keep your lazy spa sparkling clean and safe for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.